Did you know that in Greek mythology, a sorceress once killed her own children just to hurt her cheating husband? Meet Medea, the ultimate example of why you don't mess with a magical woman. This witch helped Jason steal the Golden Fleece and literally saved his life multiple times. But Jason decided to dump her for a younger princess because apparently he had 0 brain cells. Big mistake. Medea didn't just get mad, she got methodical. First, she sent the new bride a gorgeous wedding dress as a gift, except it was cursed. The moment the princess put it on, it burst into flames and burned her alive, along with her father who tried to save her. But Medea wasn't done. In the most twisted move ever, she murdered her own 2 sons. Not because she was crazy, but because she knew it would destroy Jason completely. She wanted him to live with that pain forever. Then she literally flew away in a chariot pulled by dragons, leaving Jason broken and alone. The moral of the story? Never betray someone who owns flying dragons.